I'm Dan Stahl, president of the Stahls Family Small Business Scholarship, and I am thrilled to be able to share more exciting news with you. At the beginning of this year, to celebrate our 90 years in business and to honor the spirited entrepreneurs who contribute to our success, we announced that each quarter through 2022, we'll be awarding a SHOP Makeover worth $10,000 to one small business. And I'm pleased to share a very exciting announcement. After an amazing first quarter working with winner Jesse of Threads and Inks in Lakeville, Minnesota, we have now named our second quarter winner. So join me in congratulating Jared Kendall of Hub City Inc. from Lubbock, Texas. Hub City Inc. is a new graphic design and hands-on vocational training program built to provide a gateway for disabled individuals to find community placement in the apparel decoration industry. And with their scholarship winnings, the Hub City Inc. team is excited to develop a better physical business to ultimately provide more opportunities to serve the disabled community. We were thrilled to be able to surprise Jared and let him know Hub City Inc. is our second quarter winner. Plus, we got it all on film, so check it out.
So what are some of the biggest challenges you hope to solve with the coaching sessions that would be provided to you if you were to win the scholarship?
A great question. Because we're so new. I mean, I've worked for some companies in town that did apparel decoration. You probably know some of them because you guys work with them as far as the vinyl side is concerned. Okay. So I have a basic idea of how shops are set up, and the coaching would really help me to utilize my space and to figure out how to better serve my consumers that I'm working with and teaching. I am not new to it, but I'm fairly new to it. And so it would be good to have those people who are 90 years with experience who could come and just give me the experience that they have in order to just do a better job at where we are. I think the understanding the equipment better. I know that STAHLs has equipment that is better accessible for our consumers. We're not quite to the point where we can financially purchase higher end equipment. And so having the expertise in that, where we can send our consumers the right way when they're purchasing their own equipment, having hopefully you guys come into some of the classes that we teach and maybe presenting your equipment to them would be very helpful. Because that's what our end goal is, to get them to a point where they can do this on their own, do it from home, go and work somewhere else. And if they understand the equipment and what equipment would better be accessible to them, that's a good step in the right direction for them. So
that's part of the mini scholarships that you mentioned in your entry.
Yes, ma'am. So our ultimate goal is to be able to do one of two things. First is be able to go back and employ these people who we're working with, eventually be big enough where we can hire these people to work with us and do all of the work that we're doing. And then also give them the opportunity, if they need to work from home. A lot of the people that we work with are on disability and can't go to a building and work 8 hours. They may need to take a 2-hour break and then go back and make a t-shirt or something like that. And so I have several right now that have plans after they're done with our classes to start their own mini shop in home. And so the Transfer Express is something that I've been pushing. I'm like, this is perfect for you. You only need a little bit of space, something that you can pick up and do a little bit at a time when you have your time to do it. And then the equipment we talk about a lot, because STAHLs has the automatic where you can just push buttons, and it closes automatically. And that's awesome for our consumers who don't have the rigidity and the things that they need to press down on the press. So it's been a really good, fun experience in that regard.
Good.
Okay.
I think that is all I have. Do you guys have any questions for me or for Dan? No?
That's a good question.
I guess you all can see how passionate he is about this. I know that when we first started this Jared had, I think, just finished up on his degree, and it's just sort of like taking it and trying to harness that passion, you know, to where it benefits our consumers. And so it's you can tell that this is something that he wants to do, that he's really, really passionate about it, and that comes. So I'm a proud director right now.
Yeah, it's a wonderful program. You should be proud.
We have enjoyed it so much. We're hoping that it becomes bigger and helps more people, and that we can become a model for other centers who be interested in doing the same thing. So I think in the end, that's so.
Excellent. All right, well, I am going to pass it over to Dan.
Yeah, I just had one question. Did you guys read the terms and conditions of the scholarship?
I did. I may have misunderstood some of it, to be completely honest, because I went back and was looking, and then I asked Miss Elliott a few questions later on. So that was the only thing that I was like, ooh.
Yeah, and he confirmed with me, so that was good.
Okay. Yes,
all good.
exactly. The real reason for the call is you are actually our winners of our second quarter scholarship. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. That's amazing. Wow. Okay.
Yes, it is.
That is amazing.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
And not only will Hub City Inc. receive $10,000 worth of new heat printing materials, but our team of experts will also be on site to train Jared on using the new equipment, plus provide quarterly coaching sessions. And if you're inspired by Hub City Inc.'s story and your shop needs a makeover, tell us all about it in your small business dream. We'll be awarding 2 more makeovers this year, and there's still time to apply. So tell us about your business and what you would do with a $10,000 shop makeover at this link.